Pelsbarn Cooling Mat is marketed as a premium self-cooling pet mat that supposedly keeps dogs cool during hot weather without toxic gels or refrigeration. But the real question is, does it actually beat the heat, or is it another heavily advertised pet product? Now, to be fair, cooling mats for dogs are absolutely a real thing. Dogs naturally look for cooler surfaces during hot weather, and a breathable cooling mat can genuinely help improve comfort. The Pelsbarn website claims the mat uses a triple-layer gel-free cooling design to help reduce overheating risk. What it does well can provide noticeable cooling comfort. Many dog owners report their pets genuinely prefer lying on cooling mats instead of warm beds or carpets during summer. The gel-free design is appealing. Pelsbarn heavily promotes the fact that the mat avoids toxic cooling gels, which some pet owners worry about. Where the hype starts showing, the marketing is probably exaggerated. This is the biggest issue. Claims like 4x more effective and dramatic temperature reduction are difficult to independently verify. It will not replace proper cooling. A cooling mat alone cannot protect dogs from extreme heat without shade, hydration, airflow, and temperature management. Quality complaints do exist. Some Reddit users complain that the mat felt overpriced or lower quality than expected. So, does Pelsbarn Cooling Mat actually beat the heat? Short answer, yes for comfort, no for miracle-level cooling. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.